you can solve this logarithm problem correctly, you are amongst the 1% of the students that can get A in their SAT exams. Let's look at the logarithm problem. Here we are told to solve that log of base 3 of 2x plus 1 minus log of base 3 of x minus 3 is equals to 3. Okay? If you look at the problem very well, you see that the two logarithms are of the same base 3 and base 3. So all you have to know is that whenever you are subtracting logarithm in the same base, as we can see here, you just have to divide their numbers. Look at the rule. Whenever you have log of m minus log of n is the same thing as keep the log the same, divide their numbers, m divided by n. So if you agree with this, you can now see that we can write the equation to be log of base 3 of 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. And that's equals to what? 2. Okay? Recall there is always a relationship between logarithm and indices. So since we have this, we can simply convert these terms to initial equation. Okay? Remember that whenever you have any number like b raised to power x is equals to n. In logarithm form, you can now see that x is equals to log of base b of n. Since logarithm is trying to express is trying to tell us how many times the base is going to be raised to get the number. This simply means that whenever you raise the base by 2, you are going to get the whole number. So we write it to be 3 power 2 is equals to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. Okay? So if you have this, 3 squared is 9, right? So you have it as 9 is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. Okay? So the next thing we do is that we have over 1. So we do what? We cross and multiply. Please do well to like and share this video, okay? So you cross and multiply. If you cross and multiply, you have it as 2x plus 1 multiplying 1 is equals to 9 into x minus 3. 2x plus 1 is equals to, the next thing we do is to open up the bracket. And to open the bracket, we use the number out here to multiply each term in the bracket. So what do? 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 3 is minus 27. Okay? So all we have to do again is to collect like terms. Okay? To collect like terms, we now subtract 9x from both sides and subtract 1 from both sides. So what do we have? 2x minus 9x is equal to minus 27. This one is crossing equality sign, minus 1. What do you see? Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 7x, and that's equals to minus 28. Okay? So for us to get the value of x, all we need to do is that minus 7x is equals to minus 28. We have to do what? Divide through by minus 7 and divide by minus 7. When we divide by minus 7, you notice that x is equals to 4. So x is actually 4 here. Okay? Please, if you found the video interesting, do well to like, comment, and share your thoughts about the method. See you in my subsequent post. Bye.